I'm going to show you how you can get and find your Kraken referral code, so this way you can earn up to 600 euros on Bitcoin completely for free. So if you find the video helpful, don't forget to subscribe and like it. So all you need to do is go to Kraken. You can do it through their website or the phone application, and then go to referrals right here. So I will leave a link in the description below with my referral and my code, because as you can see, you will get 20 euros for you and every friend you invite to Kraken, up to 600 euros. So for now I have received 200 euros and I still have 400 remaining. So you will get paid through Bitcoin directly on your Kraken account, and all you need to do is invite a friend. He will need to create and verify their account just by putting their ID. This should not take more than 5 minutes. Then they also need to deposit at least 100 euros and trade it. So this can be just buying any crypto and selling it, and then they can just withdraw that money. So if you click the invite friends button right here, you will get your own referral link, and then you also have an invite code right here. So if you use my code, I will leave it on the description, you will get 20 euros, and this way you can keep inviting more friends to earn more money. So I hope it was helpful, and thanks for watching.